In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online Payroll. By the end, you'll feel comfortable running payroll from start to finish without second-guessing each step. Once you're signed into your QuickBooks Online account, start by heading over to the main navigation on the left side of your screen. Look for the option labeled Payroll. In some versions, this might be called Workers. Click that and then choose Employees. This is your payroll hub, where you'll see your team and manage their pay. Next, we're going to actually start a payroll run. At the top right of the Employees page, click the button that says Run Payroll. This tells QuickBooks you're ready to process paychecks for this pay period. You'll now be asked to select the pay schedule. This might be weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly, depending on how you've set things up for your business. Choose the correct schedule for the employees you're paying today, then click Continue. Keeping the right schedule here is important so that taxes and reporting stay accurate. After that, review the key dates. You'll see a pay period, which is the date range your employees worked, and a pay date, which is when they'll actually receive their money. Make sure both of these are correct. If the dates don't match your usual cycle, adjust them before moving on. Now, choose which employees you want to pay in this run. QuickBooks will usually pre-select everyone on that schedule, but you can deselect anyone who shouldn't be paid this time. For example, a seasonal worker who didn't have any hours. Next, enter the pay details. For hourly workers, type in the number of hours they worked for this period. If you're using QuickBooks Time, you can often simply select Approve Time to bring in their hours automatically. For salaried employees, their pay will usually populate on its own based on their salary settings. If you need to tweak anything, click on the paycheck amount or use the Actions menu next to their name. This is where you can update things like bonus amounts, overtime, or add a memo for your own records. When everything looks good, click Preview Payroll. Take a moment here to carefully review the totals, including taxes, deductions, employer contributions, and each employee's net pay. This is your chance to catch any mistakes before money moves. Also confirm the bank account that QuickBooks will use for payroll withdrawals. Make sure it's the correct account with enough funds to cover the total payroll amount. Once you're confident everything is accurate, click Submit Payroll. QuickBooks will process the payments either by direct deposit or by preparing checks, depending on your setup. To wrap up, you'll see options to print paychecks or pay stubs, or simply select Finish Payroll. Choose what fits your process, and you're done. That's the full run-through of using QuickBooks Online Payroll from start to finish.